He doesn't even have a cape. Of course you have to have a cape if you're a superhero.
Well, I mean, I can't shit on the guy, but yeah, he needs a cape. So he was going to, the gifts were liquor, electronics, a Parrot drone for his 6-year-old daughter.
That's cool.
That's what that looks like.
You remember?
For $1,000?
Whoa.
Yeah.
Do you remember the time, regular me, that
Hey, Agent Pat Dixon, hey. What's
it's
happening,
me. That we had a Parrot drone?
I do remember that. Oh, that was really
It
something
was
else.
a fond
yeah.
memory.
$1,000 for Christmas gift?
Can we go back in time to when we had that? Oh my God, that was so much fun. Oh man, huh?
That took hours.
Worth it.
Go play one more time?
Show it again.
Okay.
Yeah, 4 more times.
Yeah, let's see it again. Oh yeah, that Parrot drone. Well, I crashed it right into the. I was playing in the alley, and that was the time I crashed my Parrot drone. But I still had that big grin on my face. I remember I was so happy.